Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to purchase a gift card on Lululemon. So in order to do that, first of all, launch open your web browser and get to the official website for Lululemon. Inside the URL box, type in lululemon.com and search. Also make sure to enter your email and password to log in to your existing account. After signed in to the account, click on the gift cards button at the top right hand corner. Now, you can purchase a gift card from selecting from the options. Select if you want to purchase an e-gift card or a physical gift card from the option. To purchase an e-gift card, click on Shop e-gift card option. Once you make a selection, go ahead and select from the tab if you want to get the gift card for a friend or for yourself and click on Send a digital card button. Follow through the prompts and provide the necessary information such as your gift card design, and also make sure to provide and choose the card value from the options. Select the value of the card from the options. You can also choose your currency from the list and also make sure to choose the quantity of the gift card. Now finally click on Add to Cart. Now click on the Checkout button after everything is correct in the order summary page. If you've not done so already, you must enter your contact information such as your email and your phone number. At the bottom of the page, enter your credit card information. Enter your first name, last name and the credit card number that is available on your card you are trying to add. Also make sure to enter the expiry date for the card and the security code. Right beneath the payment option, you'll also need to choose your billing address if you've not done so already. Make sure to fill in all the prompts necessary in the text boxes and finally click on the Place My Order button at the bottom in order to purchase or order your gift card on Lululemon. So that is how you will be able to buy a gift card on Lululemon within a few steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.